I'm Isa from the Good Days program. Today we're going to cook the cauliflower and turkey shepherd's pie. This recipe is Good Days program compliant and suitable for migraine sufferers. For this recipe, we will need 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 head of cauliflower, 2 stalks of celery, 2 carrots, some parsley, some coconut milk. I choose this one because this brand is 100% coconut milk and this is what we are looking for. Also some shallots. Here I have Thai shallots, but if you're using US shallots, it's the equivalent of 2 shallots. And a bunch of kale. We also need some olive oil, salt and pepper, and water.